Extremely bullish news is coming out today in these markets for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. I'm Blockchain Crusader, crusading through these blockchains. Obviously, I'm not at my studio today, so I'm recording this video on the go. But Europe central banks, along with Swiss, Sweden, and I believe the Bank of Canada, have all started to cut interest rates. So now the question becomes, when will the United States start cutting interest rates? Will it be soon, or will it be after 2024, right, into 2025, when you know what event is done with? I don't know. That's not the real point of this video. The real point is that countries around the world, or I should say central banks around the world, are cutting interest rates, which is very, very bullish for crypto, for Bitcoin, because the money printer is turning back on. We also have news on BlackRock wanting to launch their own stock exchange based in Texas. Guess what else is in Texas? That's right, the largest amount of Bitcoin miners in the United States. Guess what BlackRock is also into? That's right, tokenization, Ondo, real world assets. So is this the beginning of them tokenizing real world assets and launching it into their own stock exchange in Texas based off tokenized assets? That's something that I'm very, very bullish on. You guys have heard me talk about real world assets here before, and let me tell you, if that is the scenario that they're going for, it is going to be very, very big to see BlackRock. Now, do I expect that to happen anytime soon? Realistically, probably not. There's a lot of regulation, a lot of paperwork, but it is BlackRock. When they want something, they make it happen. Can it happen maybe in 2025? Maybe. I expect that to be kind of a peak FOMO situation when that launches, right at the top of the bull market, before things start coming back down, and eventually for the next bull market in 2028, 2027, give or take, right, for it to be the next big thing, the next big wave of real world assets having their own stock exchange, yada, yada, yada. So the question is Bitcoin going to break to new all-time highs? Bitcoin is fighting some pretty strong resistance right now, and altcoins are all pretty much just waiting on the sideline. When Bitcoin had that little bit of a pump below 70,000 and started to go towards 71, almost 72, the altcoins had a little bit of a pump, right? So all the altcoins right now are waiting for Bitcoin to make up its mind. Is it going to break into new all-time highs? If it does, we could see a little mini altcoin season. If we get Ethereum ETFs to trade relatively soon, we're definitely going to see a pump off of that. Ethereum will probably be leading the charge. There is the scenario that we might get an initial dump from Grayscale, that just like I did with Bitcoin. Very, very possible. But we will see when it happens. Overall, extremely bullish, right, for Bitcoin when the ETFs launched. It's going to be extremely bullish for Ethereum when the Ethereum ETFs begin to officially start trading, even if it gets an initial dump at the beginning, just like the Bitcoin ETFs. Look how fast Bitcoin rose to new all-time highs. Is the same going to happen for Ethereum? Is Ethereum going to hit new all-time highs relatively soon? I think it's very possible with the Ethereum ETFs, and that's going to lead into a larger, way bigger altcoin season than what we're expected right now. But it's the summer, it's the boring time in the markets. Is it going to happen now? I don't know. I don't foresee it happening just yet. I can see Bitcoin continuing to flirt here, maybe making a small new all-time high, maybe pushing to 74, 75K and coming back, but I don't see it, gates unleashed, full-on send mode happening. I don't see that happening here. I think we're going to continue into consolidation, putting people to sleep, people not paying attention to the altcoins, not paying attention to Bitcoin and what's happening in the markets, because we're getting a lot of bullish news. We're just not getting a lot of price action from it. And that's how you know you're in one of these phases where no matter how much the bullish news comes out, the price doesn't really move drastically for Bitcoin. But it's coming. It's coming, guys. Like always, I'm Blockchain Crusader, crusading through these blockchains. Drop the comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this, about the interest rates being cut, about BlackRock wanting to launch their own stock exchange. What do you think about this? How it will affect the altcoins? What altcoins are you guys buying up right now? So make sure you drop a comment down below, and always hit that subscribe. Join the Crusader Army. Until next time, see you.